Good morning, class. So at this point you guys have gotten your paper 1 and your paper 2 back. So in this lesson we're going to cover majority of the questions in paper 2. Okay, in paper 1, sorry. Okay, let's just get the top part up there. So this is the paper that you guys have written. Okay, please follow. If there are any questions, feel free to ask. Okay. Here the question says calculate and write the intermediate steps. So you got in 1.1 the question says for 2 marks 60 divided by 3 times 4 minus 7 times 2. So in this case, as you know, you must apply part maths. Okay, so we're going to do division first. So 60 divided by 3 is 20. 20 times 4 minus, I can multiply that as well, 14. 20 times 4 is 80 minus 14. And 18 minus 14 is 66. Okay, just let me know if I make any mistake. In calculation. Let's check everything's there. Alright. So now we're looking at 1.2. Again, we got the brackets here for 3 marks. So as we know, we must do the inner bracket first. So it's 18 minus, we've got the squiggly bracket, 5 minus square bracket, 17 minus 12, 2 plus 3, 13 is 15. Block brackets plus 8, the squiggly bracket. Again, the most inner bracket first, so it's 18 minus, with squiggly bracket, 5 minus. 17 minus 15 is 2, plus 8. Again, the brackets first, so it's 18 minus. 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 8 is 11. Not so. And 18 minus 11 is 7. Okay. Look at 1.3. 1.3 we are asked to simplify 50. 1 divided by 14 plus 3 times 2. Again, the inner bracket first. So it's 51 minus 14 plus 3 is 17 times 2. Again, we'll do more division first. 51 divided by 17 is 3. And 3 times 2 is good. 1.4 for 5 marks. A similar question in paper 2. The cube root of 8 is 2 plus the square root of 5 is 5 minus square root of 4 is 2 divided by square root of 1 is. Again, according to board maths, division first. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0, so the answer is 5. Or you can say 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. Yes, my God.
So, yeah, 2 divided by 1 will be gone straight into.
So you went from here straight into 2.
Yes, sir.
4 marks.
How much is it? How much marks is it?
How many marks is the sum? 5 marks. So everything is right besides that. No, you must get the 4th mark. Okay. So what I need you to do is you circle the question in pencil. Is there any problem? You circle the question in pencil and then you underline where you think you should get the mark. If you must get the mark, you must get the mark. You're not going to get extra pay if you don't get the mark. So that's most important. And if you deserve it, you deserve it. No? We got 1.5. We got 4 squared minus 3 squared plus 6 times open brackets 1 plus 2 cubed. So it's going to be 4 squared is 16 minus 3 squared is 9 plus 6 times 2 cubed, of course, is 8. So that needs to be done first. So it's 16 minus 9. I could have said 7. So it's going to give you 9. Multiplication first. That's going to give you 54. What's 16 minus 9 is? 7. And 7 plus 54 is 60. 61. Okay. Any confusion there? No? 1.6. Question 1.6. Here we're going to the fractions, and as we do it, we change everything to improper fractions. Not so. So, and decimal also to fractions. So that's going to give you 22 over 5 minus 7 over 8 divided by a half, or 5 over 10. What's my LCM inside the bracket? 40. So I must multiply that by 8. So 22 times 8 is 16, 16, 17, 176. Minus, you must multiply it by 5, so it's 35. So its minus is 1, 14, 1 for 1. So it's at the multiplication, you tumble and times. So it's 141 over 40 times 2 over 1. 2 goes into 2 ones, 2 goes into 40, 20 times. So that answer is 141 over 20. Okay. If you want, you could have written it as an improper fraction, as a mixed fraction. Sorry, that is in its improper form. I think it's 7 and 1 over 20. No? Alright. Unless the question is stated, you must write your answer in a mixed fraction form. The last question for 5 marks is 1.7. We change again to improper fractions, so it's going to be 31 over 2 minus 37 over 3 minus, it's a curve bracket, so it's 21 over 4 minus 19, 11 over 3. That's the most in the bracket. What's my LCM inside that bracket? 12. So it's 37 over 3 minus 12. So you multiply it by 3, so it's going to give you 63. Multiply it by 4, it's 44. So it's 31 over 2 minus, open brackets, you got 37 over 3 minus 63 minus 44. Something 9, 19. 19 over 12. What's your LCM inside that bracket? 12 again. So you times by 4. So 37 times 4. Sorry? 148. 148 minus 19. As we multiply by 1. 148 minus 19 is the 13, 12, 129. Is that correct? So it's 31 over 2 minus 129 over 12. Now, is there a number that can simplify 129 and 12? 3. 3 can simplify it. Not so. Otherwise, you could have gone and used the LCM to be 12 again. Okay? But I would simplify it to keep the sum small, or make it smaller. So 3 goes into here 4 times, and 3 goes into 12, 43 times. Is that correct? So what's my LCM now? 4. So I multiply by 2, so it's 62 minus 43. So 62 minus 43 is going to give you 5, so it's 119. So it's 19 over 4. Or you can write it as 4 and 3 over 4. Okay, if you did not simplify that, then you would have had 12, so you times by 3, so it's 47 over 12. And you should have noted that 3 can go into both. Because if you have this, of course you're going to lose 1 mark because you didn't simplify further. You guys understand? Okay. But the final answer should be 19 over 4. Is that correct? Okay. So that basically brings us to the end of question 1. Now we have question 2. In question 2 we are told from the list below. So only from the list below. Choose a number that 13, 14, 18, 77, 49 and 8 is a multiple of 2 and 3. Now, if it's a multiple of 2 and 3, what is your LCM of 2 and 3? 6. So in other words, we must look at multiples of 6. 6 is not there, 12 is not there, however 18 is there. Can you see that? So 18 is the multiple of 3 and 2. Or you can count in 2s, 2, 4, 6, 18, 12, and 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and so on. You'll see that 18 is in the number that is a multiple of both. Okay. Is a prime number, 13 is a prime number. Not 40, not 80, not 77. 13 is your only prime number. Okay. Next question is a factor of 24. Factors are numbers that can be divided into 24 without remainder. Not 13, not 12, not 18, not 77, not 49. However, 8 works. It's a square root of 64. The square root of 64 is 8, which is also there. Okay. Arrange the given numbers in ascending order. People, what's ascending? Smallest to biggest. So it's going to be 13 followed by 14 followed by 8 first. Right? 8, 13, 14, 18, 49 and 77. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. Yes, that's correct. Find the sum of the numbers listed above. What does sum mean? You must add it. So 13 plus 14 plus 18 plus 77 plus will give you an answer of 170. Okay, if you guys understand, each one is worth 1 mark, barring 2.1.6, which is 2 marks. Okay. People, the question says copy and complete the table below using the rule. Now we have the delta, or the triangle, is equal to the inverse of that triangle, or the whatever you want to call that. Not delta, squared plus 5. So, using the rule, we know that there is 0. So it's 0 squared. So if I see that sign, I put the 0 now. So 0 squared plus 5. 0 squared is 0 plus 5 is 5. In the second case, we have the triangle is equal to that sign, which is then 2 squared plus 5. Again, we're replacing that with the number there. No. No. This is not right. This is not right. Because here they're saying the triangle is 0. Can you see that? The triangle is 0. It's normally the other way around. Okay? So it's actually 0 is equal to that sign squared plus 5. Not so? So you're taking that over the equal sign becomes negative 5 is equal to that squared. The square root of that is no solution. Again, the triangle here is 2 squared plus 5. Taking that over the equal sign becomes negative 3 is equal to the square root of that is also no solution. Did they change this question in the exam?
Sir, over here it says under the 0 which is 5.
But it's wrong.
Under the 2 which is 9.
Yeah, because what she did was she replaced the not the triangle. She actually replaced that sign with a corresponding value. Can you see that? You guys understand the mistake? Okay. So you guys must be all awarded the 4 marks. Everybody should get 4 marks. Okay. Just make a note. Just circle the memo. I need to speak to her about it. Okay. Yes, Michael.
So
And whoever got 4 marks, you will remain the 4 marks, and whoever didn't get it, it's going to be awarded 4 marks. Here's what's your question.
So what's the 4 marks for?
She got 1 mark here, for the, I think she got 5 here, and then she got 9 there, and then she got 25, so it's 5 here. That is what? That you gave 2 marks there. But according to this, remember now, in the triangle is equal to that squared plus 5. Here, what was given was, the triangle facing down was given. Can you see that, people? So if the triangle was facing down was given, so that's going to give you 30 squared plus 5, which is 900, plus 5, which is 905. So this is actually the right answers according to the formula. Okay. Sorry about that. You guys should be awarded the mark for this question. So if you got 4 marks, it's fine. Otherwise, just circle the question again and award the mark to you. Okay. Sorry about that. Let's go to the next question. It says write down the next term in the sequence. 3, 6, 12, 24. So how do I move from one term to the next? You're multiplying it by 2. So 48 times 2 is, so 24 times 2 is 48. Here we got 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 10, 6 plus 10, as you can see, you add the 2 to get the next term. 6 plus 10 is 16, and then of course 10 plus 16 is 26. Okay. Right, in 2.1, 2.4, 2.4.1, it says calculate. So we have 18 must be divided by 248,232. What do I do is I write down the 18 timetable. So it's 18 plus 18 is 36. 36 plus 18 is 40, is 54. Plus 18 is 60, 72. Plus 18 is 90. Plus 18 is 108. Plus 18 is 126. Plus 18 is 130, 40, 4. Plus 18 is 162. Plus 18 is 180. Okay, that should be suffice. Should be 9 is already enough. Okay, for long division. So 18 divided by 24, can it go? 18 can't go into 2, or in 24 it goes once. 1 times 18 is 18, subtract, I get, sorry, 6. Carry down the 8. So 18 goes into 68 3 times. So 3 times 18 is 54. Subtract, you get 14. Is that correct? Carry down the 2. 18 goes into 142. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 7 times 18 is 126. Subtract. You're going to get 3, so it's 1, 6, 16. Is that correct? Carry down the 3. 18 going to 163. 9 times. Correct? 9 times 18 is 162. Subtract, I get 1. Carry down the 2. 18 can't go into 12. Not so? 12 times 18. That's 0 times 18. Did I make a mistake? 0 times 18 is 0. You minus, you get 12. So the remainder is that correct? Okay.
So is the 0
The 0 needs to be there. The only time you don't need a 0 is he was in front. When he was at the back, it needs to be there. Okay. So how many marks did you lose for not having a 0?
no marks?
Got no marks.
I lost no marks. I got 2 marks.
And you don't have a 0 there. You must lose 1 mark.
No.
Yeah, so for that other mark that you get, we must cancel that mark. Okay. Says right according to the memo.
Need a mark.
Huh?
I'm still going to need a mark.
Okay.
Because of the table.
Okay. Okay, let's carry on. Now multiplication, you got 589. So it's 589. Normally I put the bigger number on top, times 47. Why? Because that's one less line to whatever. Okay. 9 times 7 is 63. 7 times 8 is 56. 62. Okay. 7 times 5 is 35. 41. That's 0. So 4 times 9 is 36. 4 times 8 is 32, 35. That's 23. Then I add. So it gives me 3, 8, 6, 7, 27,683. Is that correct? The next question, now we're going to fractions. It says fill in the missing numbers. So how do I move from 11 to 22? Multiplied by 2. So you're going to get 4. How do I get from 2 to 6? I multiplied by 3. So that's going to give you 33. How do I get from 2 to 8? You multiply by 4. So that's going to give you 44. How do I get from 11 to 990? You multiply it by 90. Is 90 correct? Yes, so 2 times 90 is 180. 180. So each one is worth 1 mark. Okay. So it says write 45% as a fraction in the simplest form. So 45% is the same as 45 over 100. 5 goes into 45 9 times. 5 goes into 100 20 times. So it's 9 over 20. Then the question says write this as a decimal. So 45% is the same as 45 over 100. As you know, it's 2 digits after the comma, so it's 45, so it's 1, 2. So 0, comma, 45. The next question, they ask you to express 6 and 7 over 9 as an improper fraction, so you multiply and add. 6 times 9 is 54. It's 61 over 9. Is that correct? Huh? Right. 3.4 express 3 over 4. 53 over 4 is a mixed fraction. 4 goes into 5 once, carry 1. 4 goes into 12 3 times. 4 goes into 13 3 times. Remainder 1. So it's 13 and a quarter. That was the answer that was needed there. The next question, it says find 5 over 8 of 24 kilograms. People, what is of? What do we replace of with? Multiplication. So it's 5 over 8 multiplied by 24 over 1. So 8 goes into 8 once, 8 goes into 24 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15 over 1 times 1 is 1. So it's 15 kilograms. So 24 kilograms, 5/8 of that is, of course, 15 kilograms. Okay. Then they ask you to write a half as a percentage. So you say a half multiplied by 100. As you can know, percentage is a representation of unit is 100. So it's over 1. So that goes 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 100. 50 times, so it's 50%. Okay. Yes? You're moving too fast. What's wrong? You're thinking and you're saying, calling me. Something wrong with you? The price of a tablet has dropped from 4,000 Rand to 3,400 Rand. But what percentage has the price dropped? The percentage decrease is equal to a difference over original times 100. So your difference is 4,000 minus 3,400 over the original price, which is 4,000 times 100. So what's the difference? 600 Rand, not so? Over 100 divided by 100 there. So you're left with over 40. So 4 goes into 0, both divided by 10. 60 divided by 4 is 15. By what percentage has the price dropped? It has dropped by 15%. Okay. Nice question there. I know some of you are going to say yes, all the questions was nice. No? People find the missing amounts. People, how many centimeters are there in a meter? 100. So you must multiply 2 by 100. So it's going to be 200. 7 weeks, how many days? 7 times? Sorry? 7 times 7, which is 49. 5 hours, how many minutes? How many minutes are there in an hour? 60. 5 times 60, 300. 300 minutes. Okay. Write the following time in 24-hour clock time. So 11 a.m., 11:15 a.m. can be written as 11 hours, not so? And then p.m., 11:23 p.m., that's 23 of course, so we're adding 12, which is in the evening. It's going to be then 23 to 3 hours. Correct? Right. How far below a temperature of 150 degrees is negative 45 degrees? How far below a temperature of, okay, so from 150 degrees Celsius to negative 45 degrees. For you to first drop from 150 degrees to 0, to drop from 150 degrees to 0 is how many units already? 150. And then below 0, it's another 45. So in total, it's going to be 195 degrees drop. Okay. You all okay with that? The next question in 4.4, we are told, find the area and the perimeter. People, as we know the area, how to calculate the area on the inside, not so. The area is going to be length times breadth. What unit is this? Inches, okay. I didn't know. So it's 3.3 times 9.3. So it's 93 times 33. So it's going to be 9, 27, 0, 9. So it's going to be 9, 6, 10, 36, 3069. Is that correct? 3069 inches squared. Now so, and if they ask you to work out the perimeter, the perimeter is going to be 2 length plus 2 breadth, or you could have said 2 into length plus breadth. Not so, or I could have said length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. It's also the same. Okay. So it's going to be 2 times 9.3 plus 2 times 3.3. Or you could have said 2 times 3.3 plus 2 times 9.3 is the same thing. 2 times 9.3 is 18.6 plus 6.6. So it's going to give you 25.2 inches. Okay. Yes? Yes, thank you. Forgot about that. As you can see, you multiplying it by 2 decimal places here. By 1 decimal place. So he says that for every unit you must move it 1 digit back. So it's going to be 2 digits, so it's going to be 30.60. Thank you, Michael. I forgot about that. So memo according to that. Okay. 4.5. Find the value. Find the volume, sorry. Value. Find the volume of the below shape. People, how do you calculate volume? It's going to be length times breadth times. So it's going to be 8 times 6 times 4. 8 times 6 is 48. No? So it's going to be 48 times 4. It's going to give you 32. Then it's going to give you 16, 19, 192. Is that correct? 192 units cubed. Okay. The next one. If the perimeter of a square is 48 centimeters. So we've got the square. Remember, for a square all sides are equal. Not so. The perimeter, how do you calculate the perimeter? Is 4 times side. Okay, it's 48. What is the length of each side? So it's going to be simply 48 is equal to 4 times your side. Now 4 times some number is 48. 4 times what is 48? 4 times 12. So the length of each side is going to be 12 cm. Okay. Or you can take the reverse operation. The bonus question, people, we are told that a bag containing 20 marbles colored either red, white, blue or green. So we got red, white, blue or green. There is one more red than white, 4 more white than blue, and 1 more blue than green. So which one has the least? Green. Alright. So let's say green is 1. Okay. We're doing it by trial and error. Later on during the year, we're going to do what we call ratio and proportion. Then you can apply ratio and proportion, which is going to be a bit easier. Okay. So as you can see, green is the least. Okay, so we work back. There is 1 more blue than green. So then how many blue is there? 2. Okay. So that's going to put here. Yeah, let's put it as 2. And then 4 more white than blue. 4 more white. So how many white are there? 4 more white than blue. Alright, so it's 6. And there's 1 more red than white. 7. Not so. If I add this together, I'm going to get 7 plus 4 plus 6 is 13, 14, 15, 16. Not so. So that gives me a total of 16. So that means to say that green didn't actually start off with 1. Green started off with 2. So if green is 2, then blue would have been 3. Then white is 4 more than that, which is 7. And this has to be. And we add this together, I get an answer of 20. Which now is correct. No? And the question says, how many red marbles are there? So therefore red is equal to, we've got 8 red marbles. That basically brings you to the end of paper 1. During our next lesson, we will do our paper 2. At this point, I'll stop the video. If you have any problems, you can bring it to me now.